Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this cheese, I guess it could be cheese and vegetable grater, which is actually really cool. It comes with two tops for this. So it comes with this one, which is like the larger size, then the medium size, and then there is also a fine grater that you can just pop off and put right in there. It comes with a lid. So after you put everything in there and your cheese is in here, it makes it nice and easy. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So we're going to show you guys how it works, but we also need to show you that Memphis is like, you better pay the cheese tax. All right, that's going to be pretty cool. The bottom of this is like coated in silicone, so it doesn't really slip too much.
No.
Yeah, as long as you got one hand on it and one hand there, that seems to be working pretty good.
It's making big, long.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier than those triangle cheese graters. That's so nice.
It's not getting all over the counter.
Yeah, that's actually really cool. Cheese tax. Cheese tax. All right, pop it open. Check that out. Stores right in there. I do want to note this is glass. So stores right in there, no problem. Lid fits on, has a nice seal, and then that lid goes on there, so you can just leave the cheese in there and use it straight out of there.
It's got a vent if you need it.
It does have a vent, so if you do vegetables, that works perfect. That is a win.